So today's finally the day we're gonna get wheels for the Supra. I've been waiting for this day for years, and it's finally coming. Alright guys, we're finally in Garden Grove.
Back to my channel.
Alright guys, we're finally at Ribbon Tire Center in Garden Grove. She's being shy now. Here we are, gonna pick up my wheels. Alright guys, they're here. The SR08s, 22 offset, 18 by 9.5, 5 by 114.3 in gloss white. All four. I'm so happy. Oh yes. Here at Coco. We're gonna get some lunch before we head back home. Oh, our taboki came in. Alright guys, the wheels are loaded into the car, the front car, my girlfriend's car. And I have one tire over here. We're gonna head to Pep Boys where my buddy works, but he's not working right now, he's going to school. So one of his friends is gonna help me install it. So it's after the UFC gym, and I'm a little disappointed because the guys at Pep Boys couldn't help me out. But it's alright. I'm gonna keep to the original plan. I'm gonna let him get the wheels tonight, and then we're gonna go. Well, he's gonna go bring it tomorrow to his to Pep Boys, to his job, and he's gonna mount them on for me for free. And he's gonna drop it off at the shop, and then we'll install it tomorrow. And we'll see how the car looks with them on. Once again, I'm running 18 by 9.5 plus 22 offset, all four corners squared. It's a squared setup, and I'm running the Extreme Contact Sports by Continental tires, 245, 40, 18s. So I'll see you later when my friend comes by to pick up the wheels and tires, and we'll get the wheels by tomorrow. We're gonna go ahead and install it on the car. Stay tuned, because once I'm done with the tires and wheels, I'm gonna finally install the coilovers, and that's for a separate video. Thanks to my boy Patrick, came through, packed in all the tires, all the wheels, even the front into the Subi. Oh, thanks a lot, bitch.
Gotcha, bro.
Shit's about to get real tomorrow. So I'm on my way back from a will call for the shop. It is currently 11:17, rainy in Southern California and Los Angeles, and I am expecting my wheels to be delivered by Patrick right now at this moment. He'll be at the shop, so we'll probably unload the wheels into the shop and probably install it later, because right now all the bays are taken, so I won't be able to put my car up in the lift and install them. Alright guys, the Supra's on the lift. We're gonna put it up and install the wheels. Alright guys, first wheel coming off. Yeah? Recording. Come on, Chito. First wheel on, top centric in. Oh, fuck. Then you're going to the third movie. One side done. Installed. The fitment is spot on. A slight poke. And once I lower the car even more, I think they'll be very, very flush. Oh, it really looks nice. Looking like a 4x4 right now. Monster truck status. Woo! Thanks for watching. I don't have many subscribers, but as long as you watch my builds, I'm happy. I'm just here to make content and hope that the Mk3 Supra community grows bigger, at least for my generation, because in my generation, not many people run Mk3 Supras.